What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Shout out to the Kofi gang for being in here, being involved and being active. Today we are back with more fresh videos, and Mr. Kevin Olusola is back again. Olusola, right, is back again with an Adele piece, Someone Like You, Hello, Set Fire to the Rain, and Rolling in the Deep. I think he's doing a mashup of all with Beyonce and his beatboxing skills. Shout out to him. And also this video was sponsored by Miss La Perry, one of my Patreons. Shout out to you. Thank you very much for your support. I hope you're doing well and have a good week. Let's check out. This is also inside of Kevin's birthday in advance. So happy birthday, Kevin, in advance. We've already wished you happy birthday on last week's live stream on Saturday. So happy birthday in advance again. And this is for you, Kevin. Let's go. Yo, shout out to them, man. Shout out to the band or the orchestra. Oh, kind of like a mini orchestra, right? Because it's just the strings. Man, that's beautiful. Nice. Come on. Hello. Oh, okay. Beautiful. Yeah. That was one of the best transitions I've heard, man. That was such a good transition. I was wondering how I was going to transition Set Fire to the Rain to that. Oh.
guys so much for watching my Adele medley. Seriously, thank you to the String Mob, to Ben Bram, to
The
all
String
the people
Mob
that were able to make this happen. It was an incredible shoot.
Ben Bram, of course. Ben Bram played the piano. Ah, right, okay. So violins were these guys. So the String Mob, that's the name of the guys. And then the bass was Kevin Gobert. Oh, shout out to them, man. They really represented, and Kevin looked so young here. This was so this was a Carol of the Bells Kevin, and Can't Hold Us. This was Can't Hold Us Kevin and Carol of the Bells Kevin, because I can tell with the haircut at that time and the face and everything, and the fake beard that he had, you know, like mine. yeah, that was that Kevin. But happy birthday, Kevin. Happy Earth Day. This was amazing.
So if you want to subscribe, definitely click somewhere up here.
It's not there. It's not there.
More music to come from me very, very soon. See you guys. Bye.
Yeah, I don't know why we always say that. We always say, oh, it's gonna be up there somewhere, and it's never there. it's never up here somewhere. It's always not there. It's just like, okay, it's not there, so I'm not gonna do it. Next time, be more accurate in your description, Kevin. This was amazing. The piece, the start, and I love how they started with a slow, and this we started slow and then slowly built up with Set Fire to the Rain, and then rolling in the beat with that smooth transitions, man. Even the transition between Hello and what was the first one? Someone Like You. That was smooth as well. But I really enjoyed the transition between Set Fire to the Rain and Rolling in the Deep. Let me know what you think in the comment sections. And also shout out to Miss LaPerry. Happy birthday, Kevin. Shout out to the Pentaholics. We'll be back with more fresh reaction videos, so stay tuned, and we're out. Peace.